Cardiovascular Center here at University of Michigan, University Hospital around Central Campus in Ann Arbor. This is elevator bank number 12 within the hospital complex.
Which is the last one.
This is our last one. And we have 3 elevators, 56, 57, and 58. We'll start things off with this one.
I like those buttons.
It's the older style innovation with the older contacts.
Look at the bell. Yep, it rings.
A little bit of classic leveling.
What's up?
Elevators.
These are Montgomery?
No,
Or generic?
probably. Push button.
I'll push this button. This is a newer innovation button.
So you got the newer and the older.
Older and newer.
Once you push 5. There you go. Let's go to 5.
I want to ring the bell. May I?
Yes.
You want to do it too?
Sure. I've already rang.
You have to wait for it to close, yes. That's a nice lantern. At least it lighted up.
They didn't let it stay closed long enough. Let's go back down to 1.
How dare you? You went down 2?
Just trying to get the right elevator.
Okay. Really, they light up in different colors. One is orange, one is yellow.
Probably the type of bulb.
Yeah. Go ahead and press. Setting new rating for us. And we got a spill
Oh,
here.
no, that's all. Hopefully it's just water.
Go to 2.
You've got a question. All right, we'll go to 2.
And we'll send it up. I think it's 2 anyway. We had a beautiful atrium here.
Garden and cafe. Which is this close at this time?
If it closes. And the fountain is turned off. That's really cool. It was actually drained